breaker box. LGV stalled and the kiln just locked. Brad's got that look, been shouting loud, and somehow I'm standing in the crowd. I just walked in, drink in hand, holding a wrench I don't understand. Sure, the lift's still running outside, but I wasn't even on that ride. I swear it wasn't me again. I'm just trying to help, I ain't pretend. If something's broke, I was passing through, but the blame sticks on me like tile dust glue. The cameras never catch what's real, like Brad sabotaging my forklift wheel. Y'all point at me with your maintenance pen, but I swear it wasn't me again. Remember the hopper that took out the pole? Y'all say I lost all self-control, but maybe, just maybe, that light post leaned, and gravity's the real machine. Or that time I bumped the platform gate. Why put it there if it can't hold weight? They say I don't look where I go, but my mirrors work fine, mostly, you know. I swear it wasn't me again. Could have been Steve, or maybe Big Ken. The cage was dented long before I just gave it love with a hopper's roar. I'm the easy name y'all writing red, but I swear I was in the break room instead. Trouble follows me like a cousin's friend, but I swear it wasn't me again. Brad's got it out from my sweet soul. He hides my keys and fills my role. I ain't the villain in this plant tale, I'm just misunderstood. So I swear it wasn't me again. Might have nudged it, but I ain't sinned. I just work hard, drive a little wild, like a patriot with a meth-fueled smile. Y'all keep judging from your own